Check out this 2010 Kia Soul. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.